I was like, no, I don't want it. Shame on me. Because do y'all see how good this looks on me in 24 inches? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also Sippin' Slaying. Your girl got her Wawa in her wine glass today because I'm feeling real fancy. Do you see this hair? Do you see this hair on me? Gluelessly on my head.
A new cut. A new color.
She looks fantastic. Go ahead and have a seat and keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go outside for a couple hours and Nadula is about to get me together. This is their 7x5 golden brown, golden blonde, golden brown highlight unit. I got it in the Waterwave texture and 24 inches. The sun's out. As usual, all the specs for my unit as well as the products I'm using in today's video will listed down below in my description box. So if you need to check anything out, you can. If you cannot understand me, slow the video down. I talk fast for comfort. Okay, I want to get through this. Anyway, let's go ahead and tint our lace a little bit. As always, I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture of my contour and sculpt shade. For the beginner friendly girlies, closure wigs are for you. If you want to just pop your wig on out the pack, you can go ahead and do that because this wig does come pretty much styled with a little side part. You might just have to freshen up your ends a little bit because they are bent and crimped up from the packaging with a little bit of spray. Okay, give it a little spritzing. Okay, a little dry shampoo and some water or even some hair perfume to get that smell out of it because you know she got a little stank to her. I washed mine though. Hello. If you want to see how I wash my wigs, I do have a wash wig playlist that I'll link down below so you can check that out. When I go in to detangle my wig, I don't always show it in those videos. I do brush it the correct way, so pretty much from root to tip, and then I also flip it over, okay, and brush it from root to tip that way as well because I want to make sure there's no tangles in the unit. Did that make sense with that? I hope so. It does come with the no slip elastic band as well as the drawstring with the lock mechanism so you can make sure that your wig is not going to go nowhere. Ooh, okay. Ooh, oh, wait a minute. I don't want you to do that. I want you to step on my head. Let me clip this up real quick. Where's my claw clip? I don't know. Let's just use what I have. Fits really nice. There are some hairs cut in the front. I mean, okay, I can use that. I don't want to tighten it too much. I don't want to get a concussion. I'm trying to be cute, not concussed. There we go. That's going to stay. Do I want a side part? I may need to cut this in the front a little bit shorter. Right there. Let's clip this back so I can see my hairline. I'm gonna take my Nairobi mousse, 2 pumps on each side, 1 in the middle. Swirly, swirly. Just kind of break it up a bit. All right, take my band, wrap it down, move it up, make sure it's where I need her to be. Okay, that was easy. Again, I washed my wig and I will tell you when this water hit this wig out the pack, I was a little worried. Actually, I was a lot of worried. I was almost scared.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
To the point that I thought maybe they had put hairspray on this hair or something. This wig needs some conditioning. I use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. As soon as the shampoo hit this hair, it was like, oh, thank you. You gotta go outside, Harley. God dang it. Hold up. You better not poop. It drank it right on up. I made sure that I saturated this hair with shampoo and I worked it through really nicely. And then I went in with my conditioner and I actually let it sit on the wig for a couple minutes. It maybe was like maybe 2 minutes. I could have did a little bit longer, but I was in a rush. And just that 2 minutes, it helped this wig tremendously. So make sure you are moisturizing this hair thoroughly. You hear me? Why am I scooched down in my chair like this? Hold up. This is 24 inches of Waterwave highlighted goodness, and I want to look good. All right, let's fix my part. 24 inches comes down past my chest. Do I need to clean up my ends a little bit? About there. Like, see how it's like frayed at the end? Yeah, we don't want that. Just want to cut a little bit shorter in the front. I'm gonna use my flexible curl foam, put some on top, get that down. Make sure I blow dry it immediately so it doesn't crunch up. It says no crunch formula, but it be crunching because I'll be letting it sit too long. I don't want to add too much to the hair because I want this to be a very effortless type of look with some definition. I don't want it to be, you know, not defined. Work it through with my fingers, brush it through. It's a water wave, so you're not going to get like super defined curls on the end, but you can get some curls like that. This is taking no time at all, and that's why I tell y'all that Waterwave units are the best beginner curly unit for beginners. It gives you the introduction into curly hair without doing too much. Brush and brush. I don't want to scrunch it up too much because I don't want it to get stringy, so I'm just kind of squeezing it or scrunching it where it is, and it's kind of waving up the hair a little bit more. Just pop this back a little bit. Now I'm gonna put on my diffuser and blow dry this hair fully. And I'm gonna interchange between warm and cool to diffuse the hair. Makeup is done. Let me get a little bit of my oil here. This is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Work that in my hands. I just want to put some on my ends. Just make sure they well moisturized, you know? Work the rest on the top. Let me do a smidge more. Just a smidge. Yeah, that's what I want. Take off the band so I can put my glasses back on because I can't see nothing. Let me see what you see. Okay. Brush this back this way. Not that one. This way. Not too much. Here we go. Let me take these clips off so I can make sure my parting space is gonna be right. I don't know what happened right there. Dang it. Let's just put you back down. Come on, get down. I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, any color creamy bronze, and I'm gonna tint my parting space once I find my angled brush. Here we go. I'm using my Morphe M164 brush. It's an angled brush. As you can see, pop that right in the middle of my parting space. Open that up a bit without plucking anything. Let me do a little bit of contour in the front. I got it too light, so I'm gonna use a little bit of that contour from my Contour and Sculpt palette right there, just on top of that, to kind of darken that up a bit. There we go, a little color correcting, that's all. Let me put some mousse right here. I want this to be flat, flat, flat. Take my blow dryer on warm really fast and dry that out. Take that off. There we go. Just using a little bit of the mixture, the Contour and Sculpt shade on a fluffy brush. I'm pretty sure this is an e.l.f. brush, blending brush. Get under that lace. All right, let me fix my hairline over here. Take a little bit of my gel, put some on my brush, and tap it right along that edge. Add some weight to that lace so it doesn't keep lifting. I feel like the baby hair look or whatever looks really good. You don't have to do that. It's, you know, it's personal choice. I just have a lot of forehead real estate, so I like to do that. Sometimes. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide. I don't know why that popped in my head like that. Well, let me do some finishing spray on the top and we are finished. I know. This looks fantastic. I have no complaints whatsoever. I was giving them a little pushback as far as this color because I wanted a natural color. So I asked them to send me that one and they did. However, they also sent me this one because they wanted me to feature this one. And I was like, no, I don't want it. Shame on me. Because do y'all see how good this looks on me in 24 inches? Listen, could you imagine this in like a 32? You couldn't tell me what to do. I'll be showing out. And do you see the gluelessness? Look, glue. I don't want to mess up my hairline. Look, it's no glue, okay? No glue. None. Let me put that back down. But this 24 inches got me together real nice, and I am a fan of this. And I feel like it looks even better with the little baby swishy swoop situation. I wouldn't call them swoops, they're not swoops. The baby swishies. I think it makes the hairline look even more natural. It makes the wig look even more natural. It just gives me, like, this whole look gives me a very vacation-esque type of feel. So I'm telling you now, you're gonna see this wig a lot. A lot. I did get shedding with my unit. Not really too much tangling. I did get some snags when I flipped it over to, you know, comb it the other direction, but outside of that, no real tangles with this unit. But you will get shedding out the gate when you go in to wash this unit, so react accordingly. I don't really want to style her any other way because I feel like it looks good just like this. What you think? But I will take her outside and pop some clips right here so y'all can see how she looks, you know, that color looks outside. She look good outside too, don't she? The longest part of this install was the diffusing of the hair. You can alternate between warm and cool to kind of, you know, speed up the process for the drying. But as far as the clumping or the definition for the curls, if you don't want no frizz, keep your diffuser on. It took me about 20-25 minutes to diffuse this hair.
You got time?
Shh, shh. It's long, but I would suggest you not put a lot of product on the hair. Even though it says no crunch, it will get crunchy if you just let it sit on the hair, especially if you use a lot. So if you plan on just wearing this unit out after the wash, use this one. Some of y'all have asked me about the Nairobi mousse. I tell y'all all the time, this is very drying. Really good definition, but it's going to dry with a crunch. Now, please understand, for these inches, you will pay some money. So make sure you understand that before you start gasping and gagging about that price point. I didn't make it. I'm just showcasing what's available in that price point from Nadula. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.